Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make anywhere between $200 per day and $400 per day with ClickBank as a complete newbie, complete beginner on the internet. So if you're somebody that's brand new to the channel, welcome. So excited to have you here. Want to give you a warm welcome and make sure that you subscribe to this channel because I'm uploading videos on a daily basis, teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And for those of you that are back to the channel, welcome. Give me a thumbs up. Okay. And let's go ahead and let's dive into the content of this because I know both parties will get loads and loads of value from this. So let's give you guys a quick income update. You can see that I'm logged in here in my ClickBank account. This is my real ClickBank account. If you've been watching any of my other videos from the past, you can see that I'm documenting my income pretty much every day. So this is really cool for people to see the progression of my business within this YouTube channel. So feel free to go back to the other videos if you would like to do so you can see the history and just learn a lot from the progression of my online business so you can model it, inside of your business. So you can see